Welcome to Cooking for Lucky 7. Like and subscribe. It's that time to make dinner again. Starting the burner to boil the water for the noodles. I'm just adding some olive oil to the water so the noodles don't stick together. I'm adding a little salt to the water to flavor the noodles a little bit. I'm adding the Alfredo sauce to the saucepan. I'm going to be using 2 jars, but it depends how many people are eating. Just add your favorite Alfredo sauce. Now I'm just using pre-diced, already cooked chicken that I'm just going to add to the sauce, and it just makes it easier. If you use your own chicken, you have to cook it first and then dice it up. Or you could dice it up and then cook it. Whatever way works the easiest. Now I'm adding the second jar of Alfredo sauce over the chicken just to make it so it makes it easier to blend better. Now I'm just starting the burner to start heating the sauce. I'm just putting my burner on medium just so it heats it nicely. I'm just preheating the oven because we're going to have garlic bread with it, so might as well have the oven heat up while we're heating up the sauce and waiting for the water to boil for the noodles. Just giving it a good shake to mix it inside with the chicken. You could also use a spoon, but I just shook it. This is what the sauce is starting to look like as it heats up. If it starts boiling too much, you're going to want to turn the burner down. Now the water's starting to come to a boil, so we'll be ready to put the noodles in soon. Now it's definitely getting heated up pretty decent. It's starting to boil. Now I got this little trick where I push at the edge of the table with the box to break the noodles in sections so it's easier for the kids to eat it. Now I'm having Dante turn on the burner so that you can add the noodles so it doesn't boil over. Now that we've added the noodles to the water, I'm setting the timer for 8 minutes because that's how long the package says they need to cook for, and I'm turn the burner back up just to get it to a boil, so turn it to about medium when it starts boiling. Now Dante is putting the garlic bread onto the baking sheet. Now I might as well put the garlic bread in the oven while the noodles are cooking, so then they'll be done at around the same time. They definitely heated up good. I'm going to turn the burner off. It definitely is heated up good. I'll put the cover on just to make sure I keep it hot. I'm just going to set the sauce on the other side just so I have the room for the garlic bread when it comes out of the oven. The garlic bread should be done enough, depending on how brown you want it. I'm just going to take it out now. That should be good. Now time to drain the water out of the noodle. And just mix up the noodles a little bit to make sure they're not sticking. There you have it, chicken fettuccine Alfredo, the easy way. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.